Hello, Percy. Hi, Rosie and Thomas. What have you got?
We made a special treasure hunt for you, Percy.
Are you excited? Yes, let's open it. Wow, that is awesome.
Let's take a closer look, Percy. To find the treasure, you're going to have to go over the wooden bridge, through the thorny forest, and then find the treasure in the big dirt pile. Rosie and I know you can do it, Percy.
Off I go. Okay, first I need to go up the hill. And over the bridge. Where to next? Oh yes, through the spiky forest. I hope I don't get stuck by a thorn. Maybe it's through the forest. Now I had to find the treasure pile. Wow, I found it. I better tell Rosie and Thomas. Wow, Percy, you found treasure.
You did find the treasure, Percy. Good job. I can even see a gold coin poking out from that dirt pile. Just one problem. I wonder how we're going to uncover the treasure. Maybe some wind could help us. I think I see some windy clouds approaching.
Oh, it's so windy.
Wow! A Kinder Surprise egg and some gold coins. Rosie, can you say the magic words to open the egg?
Avatadama! A motorbike. I can't wait to try it.
That is a cool red motorbike. And don't forget about our chocolate coins.
Yum, I love chocolate.
I love chocolate too, Rosie.
Thanks so much for my treasure hunt, Rosie and Thomas. It was lots of fun. Bye everyone. See you later.